I think what I want to do is I want to talk just for a second.
Hello, Bobby. You don't know me, but I know you. I'm that dark place inside of yourself. That ever-growing cancer working to consume your soul. You hate yourself every day. The depression that is consuming you inside, eating you alive. It never ends. It gets bigger and bigger. Everyone has given up on you. Even the friends that you have that constantly tell you to keep going and push forward, always believe in yourself, they've given up on you too. And why wouldn't they? The woman you love gave up on you. Your therapist gave up on you. Everybody's given up on you. You've given up on you. Your life has been a lie and a dismal failure. Well, I'm here. I'm here to take all that pain away. Inch by inch, bit by bit, I will consume your very soul, and then you will be free. You will be free of the pain and the guilt and the anger that consumes you. I am that deep, dark side of yourself, that part that talks to you every day, that fuels your depression like looking into a broken mirror. So many people love you. So many people all over, people's lives that you've touched. People say that you have made their lives better. But you don't believe that, do you? And there's no reason why you should. You know, your ex-girlfriend comments that you have all these people around you that love you and support you, and she doesn't have anybody. You shouldn't be depressed at all, she thinks. Well, that's not the way that works. You have failed yourself. You failed your family. You failed your friends. And you failed your children. So what else is there left to do but die? But you can't, can you? You can't. Your two boys are the only things binding you to this world. So you'll stay on. You'll stay on this wretched, godforsaken planet. And you'll keep taking your lumps. You'll go for the rest of your life if you have to. I see you, Bobby. I see you. I see you, deer in the headlights. Only your eyes aren't wide as saucers, are they? You are on your knees in the middle of that road with your arms outstretched, begging that car to hit you. But it doesn't, does it? It swerves off to the side, and you live to fight another day. I've seen you, Bobby. I've seen you pray. I've seen you pray for death. Praying to any God that will listen to end your very existence. And nothing ever happens. The day is coming, Bobby. The day is coming. Everyone on this earth has a timer, a stopwatch, and that day is coming. It may not come soon enough for you, but it is coming. It is coming to set you free. While everyone gives up on you, while you give up on you, it'll be glorious, Bobby. It'll be glorious. Just hang in there, as everyone says. Hang in there. You will get your wish. But until then, the gods are not done toying with you. The gods are not done. You are their plaything. You are their toy that the cat bats around the living room and then finally eats. You find yourself in this cycle over and over and over again. Last year was your biggest year ever, and this year should have been even bigger. Your book was published. It came out. But your life went downhill after that, didn't it? Kate told you she didn't love you. Then you had that failed relationship with Donna, that mistake that you made that caused you to hurt her all over again, just like you've hurt every other woman in your life. So now you hide in your room, hood over your head, under the blankets, hiding from the world. But we haven't forgotten you. We haven't forgotten you. Enjoy your life, Bobby. Enjoy it. Because it is not the beginning of the end, but it is the end of the beginning.